Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how to create conditional formatting based on another cell's values. In this data set, I'd like to make it more apparent when a route has been completed. First, you can be anywhere within the sheet. Go to Format, Conditional Formatting, click Add Another Rule. For the range, we want to apply the format. You can select this entire column, which starts at A2, and type A:(A), and you can select a specific value, or to get the entire column, just leave it open-ended with an A. Next, for format rules, we need to format the cells if, and we're going to create a custom formula. As with any other custom formula in a spreadsheet, we need to start with an equal sign. Next, we're going to get the column letter and the beginning range cell value at F2. Next, we're going to check if that value is equal to the text string in which we have to use quotation marks. Complete is the value we're looking for, and we need to end with the quotation marks. You can see our formula is valid with the blue highlight. You can change the formatting style here. I'm going to gray these out if they have been completed. Now, if you're happy with this result and that's visually enough for your data, you can click Done. If you would like to make a more visual impact and highlight the entire row, if we click on our conditional format to edit, we need to expand the range to include column F, and within the format rules, in the custom formula, since we've expanded the range of the formula and the spreadsheet reads incrementally, reading from left to right, when it gets to the word complete, it says yes, but the next column is empty, so the true value becomes not true. We need the formula to continue looking at just this cell in this column. So to do that, we need to add a $sign before F2. Now the entire row is highlighted, and you can click Done. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.